which gets pretty crazy air. Watch this. Still, we're about 140 down here normally. Slight lift into the compression, and then brake. Don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb. Flat through here. Flat, flat, flat. So you feel the aero is hardly accelerating above 140. Into third, dip down, and brace. And there we go. Hey guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me here today in my Mark 7 Golf R here at the Nurburgring. This is my first time bringing this car back here this year. Time for some first laps basically with point of view style, something I don't think I've actually ever done on this channel, but I've had the car out here for a little while, been out here for about a week, and as you can see, it's pretty caked. I mean, this is all brake dust down here. Gone through a set of front pads. I've actually done a Nurburgring track day, as you can see, just here. I've also done a track day at Spa, track evening, as you can see the stickers on there. So it's had some good use, and I've actually had to do a front to back swap for the tires because outside edge are looking pretty worn. So let's hop on board and go and see what it's like out there on track. It is so much fun. Temps are actually all right. I expected a little bit worse. It is intense though. I'm absolutely shattered after a lap. But that is a point of view lap of the Nurburgring in my 500 brake big turbo track spec Golf R. And we're going to go straight out for another one, I think. Time now for lap 2. I think, well, to be honest, I didn't do much talking in that video. Just thought I'd let you guys enjoy some raw sound of the car. But I'll do a little bit more talking, a little bit more commentary, shall we say, for this second lap. And now, as I said at the beginning of the video, actually, I have done a Nurburgring track day whilst I've been out here. I think I've only done about 20 laps of the ring in total. But on the track day, obviously, much less traffic, much more room for some learning, basically. And I managed a 7 minutes 49 bridge to gantry, which I'm pretty happy with, actually. Not the quickest, but I'm pretty happy with it. Anyway, scan the card once more. Let's head back out. Hit this flat. Tend to brake a little bit there, straighten the car up, and then get most of the braking done before turning in again. Down to third. With our last lap, actually, that there was not really much traffic and no yellow flags at all, which was very nice. This is where I wish I had a DSG so I could upshift a little bit before. I need flat foot shifting, I think, so then on some of the long corners where I'm way up in the revs and I need to change up, that I can do just by flat foot shifting. With the DSG, that's not a problem, and this it is. Here towards SX. I think I could probably go flat over here, but I don't have the cojones for that yet. So I do a little bit of a dab before, down to fifth, use the aero over the left-hander, which shock horror does actually work. Oh hey, look at me go. Down into foxhole. Note to self, don't hit the curb. Don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb. Still, we're about 140 down here normally. Slight lift into the compression. And then brake, don't hit the curb, don't hit the curb. Around we go. Around into the first YouTube corner. Sorry folks, didn't go straight on. Surprised how quiet the track is given how busy it is outside. Leaving in fifth here, a bit wobbly under brakes. Down into third. G-force is crazy around that corner. Temps are looking okay, 119. Too bad given the heat today, 22.5 degrees according to the computer. A little bit of traffic. Thank you. You're not slowing down though, you're indicating but not slowing down. Nice one. Got a sweaty face and my glasses are moving. I think that was a bit of a flame on the downshift there. Up into the uphill section. This is where I like to call the brakes, because I'm not on the brakes for a long time. Just flat all the way through. Get some air through them. Flat through here. Flat, flat, flat. So you feel the aero is hardly accelerating above 140. Absolutely brutal in this car. Would normally be flat through here, but I'm going to dab a bit of brakes just for the traffic ahead. Get around the outside around here, thank you. And then up towards carousel, leave it in fourth. Up to the right, into third, dip down and brace. Towards the highest point of the lap. Now I find myself from here until like past Brinchen, I'm just in fourth the whole time. The cars sometimes like to spit a few little flames, which is nice. Over the Whipperman. Bit of a bump mid through, and then down into Brunchen. Tons of people out today, still in fourth. Still in fourth, and then up the hill. One of my favourite sections, which is the jump, Plansgarten, which gets pretty crazy air. Watch this. Definitely all four off. Use the aero. Short shift to stick. A little bit light over there. Flat through here. Now into mini carousel, bit of air again, practically at the end of the lap. Woo! Well, there we are, 2 POV laps of the Nurburgring in the Golf. I'm going to let it coast through here. 121 oil temp, not too bad. Pretty happy with that. That was good fun. Absolutely love this thing. It is intense though. I'm absolutely exhausted now. But yeah, if you want to see me do a few more POV style videos, then by all means let me know. But for me today, that is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Stay tuned for some more Nurburgring videos. They're coming very soon. But yeah, that is it for me today. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures still to come.